We're making the easiest avocado and cottage cheese toast that is full of flavor with simple ingredients, including garlic, dill, and lemon juice. Hello, my name is Nicole Bonilla, and if you love healthier recipes to our favorite foods, then you are in the right place. We're gonna start with half of a ripe avocado. Now you're welcome to jot down these ingredients as we go along, or you can click on the link that's in the video description below, and that will take you to the full recipe with all the details, including substitutions, as well as nutrition facts. So before I add the avocado, I'm gonna go ahead and just slice it up, and this makes it easier to blend. And being careful not to slice through the skin, and then we can just scoop it out with a spoon. And that is a gorgeous ripe avocado. Next, we're gonna add a little more flavor with half a teaspoon of lemon juice, but you could also use lime juice if you like, and 1/4 teaspoon of dill, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and about 3 pinches of salt. And then I'm just gonna mash these all together with a fork. And you can decide if you want it really smooth or nice and chunky. Next, we'll add 1/4 cup of cottage cheese. Now you could leave these as separate layers on your toast, but I really like mixing them together because then all those seasonings get into the cottage cheese as well. And if you could use more healthy inspiration on a regular basis, I invite you to join my email list. All you have to do is click on the link that's in the video description below, and that is the best way for us to stay connected. And now that this is all mixed together, it's ready to go onto your favorite toast or bagel. I'll go ahead and scoop this on. And then for an optional garnish and flavor, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of some chopped chives on top. And then it is ready to enjoy. That is delicious. That is just smooth and creamy, and I love the little bit of tang that comes in from the lemon, and having that garlic powder in there just gives it the perfect amount of seasoning. And I love that it's made with clean, natural ingredients. I want to thank you for hanging out with me to make this really easy recipe. I've included a link in the video description below, and that will take you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I cannot wait to have you hang out with me again in my kitchen.